Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to make a video call on Facebook, step by step, using the latest version of the app. If you've ever wanted to see your friends and family face-to-face without leaving Facebook, this guide is for you. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and connected to the internet. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the messages icon. This will take you straight to your chats, where all your previous conversations are stored. Next, choose the person or group you want to call. You can scroll through your list of chats or use the search bar at the top to quickly find someone's name. When you found the right conversation, tap on it to open the chat window. Now that the chat is open, check the top of the screen. You'll see a few icons up there. One looks like a small video camera. That's the video call button. Go ahead and tap on it. At this point, Facebook will start connecting your call. If it's your first time using this feature, the app may ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. Allow access so your friend can see and hear you clearly. Within a few seconds, the call will begin, and you'll see your friend appear on the screen. During the call, you can switch between the front and back camera, mute your microphone, or even add more people to the call if you want to chat as a group. All the options are easy to find right on your screen. When you're finished, simply tap the red end call button to hang up. And that's it. You've just made a video call on Facebook. It's simple, fast, and a great way to stay connected. So the next time you want to catch up with someone special, give it a try and enjoy seeing their smile live on your screen.